24 days of DIYs this December. Yes, I'm going to be posting a DIY video for the next 24 days up until Christmas, and I'm so excited for it. I've never done anything like this before. This is a lot of videos and a lot of work, but I'm seriously so excited for all these DIYs. I'm so excited for you guys to see them. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of them. And let's get started. Okay, so for day one, I thought it would be fun to do a little upcycle for Christmas ornaments. Now, a lot of you might have seen the really trendy video going on, I don't know, a couple months ago about turning thrift store vases and making it look like terracotta pots or just clay pots. Super easy to do. That went viral. So we're going to take that idea and do a little spin on it for Christmas ornaments. Okay, so first we need some ornaments. You could really go full on upcycle and try to thrift some ornaments. I'm sure there's a ton at the thrift stores right now, but I just went to Walmart and found these really inexpensive, I think, yeah, $2 for this little pack of mini ornaments. I love this little light bulb shape. I just think they're really cute. So I grabbed 2 packs of these, and they're actually pretty heavy. I don't know what they're made of. They may be wood, but they're good sturdy ornaments. So my idea is to take these ornaments and upcycle, repaint them, and try to make them look like they are little clay ornaments in kind of the more earthy tone colors, which I like. I went to my local craft store and it was honestly so hard to choose what colors to use. There were so many good ones, but I found this brand called Top Notch. I had never seen it there before, but these are all matte paints, which I think will work well trying to make it look like clay. So I picked up a few different colors from this brand, this peachy color, this dusty pink, cream, a brown, and this green color for Christmas. So obsessed with all of these. Here's my paints, have my paintbrush, and the key ingredient to make the clay consistency for the paint is just baking soda. Okay, I'm going to start by taking these out of their package. Ah, they're so cute. And now I'm going to mix my paint. So I'm just going to start with this one. I'm gonna pour a little bit in a little bowl and add just a little bit of baking soda. I don't want it to be too thick, but you want it to be a thicker consistency. Okay, go ahead and mix that up. I might actually add a little bit more. As you can see, the paint has gone a little bit thicker, which is what we want. And I'm just gonna go ahead and paint them. I might leave the little copper gold tips because I think that's cute. So I'm just gonna paint the color. Ah, that's so cute. Okay, I was trying to think of a way that I could let these dry because I don't want to put it on a paper towel or a plate because that will mess up some of the edges. So I think I'm literally just going to hang it right on my Christmas tree, just on the tip, so it just hangs and dries hanging there. Okay, I brought you over to my tree. I'm just gonna find this little stem, put it right at the bottom, so then it will dry just like that. Ah! Okay, let's do the other ones. I love the texture that the baking soda added with the paint gives it. So cool, it really does look like it's clay. Here's a closer look of all the colors that I've mixed. I decided just to do 4 colors. I think these all go well together, so they're coming along. Okay, all of our light bulb ornaments are now on the tree drying, so now I'm gonna go ahead and paint my clear ornament. I'm thinking with this one too, it might be cute to do a base color like this cream, and then once it dries, do little accents on it with a different color, like little polka dots or brush strokes. I don't know yet, but I think that'd be cute to. Oh no! Quick, fix this and then wash my table. Okay, cute. We're gonna let this dry for a couple minutes and then add some little cute accents onto it. Gotta wash this paint off my table before it dries. Okay. And just gonna make some little dots on here. I wanna make like 100 more of these. This is so fun. Okay, this totally looks like something you could find at Anthropology. So cute. Okay, I did one more and just did cute little stripy brush strokes on this one. Love this one as well. Okay, these are all dry. I'm obsessed with these. They look so good. Yay, I'm so happy with how they turned out. Okay, so that is it for today's DIY. I hope you guys are as excited for these 24 days as I am. I am seriously so excited. So give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on the next videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to come back tomorrow for our next DIY. I will see you then. Bye.